Hey guys, welcome to World of Concrete 2017 with Metabo. I'm Antoine Dercher, I'm the Director of Product and Marketing for Metabo USA. And we're very excited to introduce you today to the complete dustless construction site. As you all know, the new OSHA regulation asks us to collect dust, and all the applications have now to be dustless. So we have here our vacuum system, which is at the center of it all. This is perhaps the most advanced dust collection system of its kind, with a very unique way to understand the pressure around the filters and clean and check the filters very specifically as needed. So depending on the application, if it's wet or dry, you need more cleaning for the filters, this vacuum will understand that and do it in a very smart way. You can obviously plug your tool here to the vacuum, and you can dial down the power taken by the vacuum to make sure that you don't starve your tools. As your tool is plugged onto the vacuum will turn automatically as you turn your tool on. It senses the current that the tool is requesting. And as you turn your tool off, the vacuum will stay on for 6 seconds to clean the hose and then turn off automatically. So we have here all our renovation grinders. This is a 7-inch renovation kit. Then we have our 5-inch heavy duty with the very heavy duty aluminum shroud, probably the strongest shroud on the market. You can take this shroud, lift it up if you want to come close to flush your wall, or close it for your regular application. As you can see, all our shrouds have spring-loaded brushes. That allows a much longer life of the brushes, and that also allows you to grind on an uneven surface and stay completely dustless. The airflow is optimized. It actually comes from the spindle all the way outside into the vacuum. What that does for you is it keeps the spindle clean and cool. So there is no dust accumulation around the spindle, and that allows the spindle to stay cool, and therefore there is no heat moving from the spindle to the gear rings and to the motor. So you enhance the life of the tool 5 times just with this simple technology. You can also adjust the position of the top side handle to be in the most comfortable position depending on your situation. We have here the same machine with a smaller motor, which will be perfect for concrete renovation. And here we have a third version of our tool with this time a polyurethane shroud, and that you open in the front. Depending on the personal preference, some people, the general contractors, will prefer this version. The heavy duty floor preparations prefer this kind of tool. This is our tuck pointing system with our special tuck pointing shroud that you can open to go in an angle, based on our heavy duty version of our angle grinder with a full aluminum backing flange. And this is designed to be the fastest tuck pointing kit that exists on the market today. This is our Scarifier, based on the same shroud technology, but with a specific star cutters that is designed to go prep the walls, any kind of stucco or any kind of coating that you have on the wall. This will be a phenomenal job and take that coating out. Here, still based on the angle grinder, we have our cutting tool. So as you can see here, you can drill down and can do a cut in concrete up to 1 1/16 inch, or you can take the system out of the shroud and do a free-handed cut, still completely dustless thanks to the shroud around the system. Now on this side of the wall, we have all our drilling technologies. On top, we have the SDS Plus hammers, starting with 1 inch capacity all the way to 1.25 inch. In the middle, we have our hammer drills, extremely popular tools in Europe and in the south of the US. And here we have our SDS Max hammer, starting at 1 inch and 9/16 capacity, all the way to the big hammers, 2 inch capacity. All our SDS Max have a full anti-vibration capability. What we mean by that is They all have here the spring-loaded side handle that will absorb 60 or 70% of the vibrations, and the side handle as well has a full anti-vibration ring. All our hammers also have a carbon brush wear indicator, so as your carbon brushes have only 8 hours left of runtime, the tool will tell you. And they also have variable speed settings, so you can drill it down if you want to drill in softer or more sensitive materials.